riding high. When I was king, I played at the hard and fast. I walked away, you want me there. Easy on and easy on, and it would. My people have me going back. My people have me going. My people have me going.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! For today's video, gagawa kami ng restaurant review for our international cuisine. Medyo maulan-ulan ngayon. It's kind of raining, but you know, I'm with my pretty Bambi. Wow! So now guys, we're walking on the way to Gateway 2, and it's kind of tiring because we are naliligaw here, in Gateway 2. See? I'm with my friend. Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Hi vlog.
Hi guys. Okay, so hello guys. For the update, it's in Gateway 1 pala, not in Gateway 2. Now we're lost. Right now we're at an Coca-Cola event with my friend. Say hi again, friend.
Hi vlog.
Super guy. Bye guys. Okay, so now guys, you can see the lighting. It's very good, very nice. The shell is so bright. And I think we're near Mai Tai. Okay, so what's up guys? Here's our first order. Their Thailand milk tea. It's called Chayan. They call it Chayan. Here's Chayan. So as you can see, this milk tea tastes like a milk tea soya, and its aroma is different from the original Taiwanese milk. Okay guys, hello, and my pad thai just arrived. Take a look at that colorful pad thai. As you can see, so aromatic. As you can see, there's garnish, shrimp, rice noodles, tokwa. I think this will be full of flavors. So I'm done finished eating my pad thai. All I can say about my pad thai is it's very savory and the flavor is strong, and I really like the taste because I really don't like noodles, but I managed to eat it all because I really enjoy the food with the tofu, with the shrimp, and it has peanuts, and I think their sauce, there's something really with their sauce that's very delicious and tasty and very savory. Now for my drink, I'm going to drink this. I really don't like their Thailand milk tea, but I think it's refreshing. Maybe I just don't like the soya, aftertaste of soya, because I'm sorry guys, I'm not a fan of soya, but that's all. Hi guys, the food was so good earlier, I forgot that I should be taking a vlog, but my overall experience about the restaurant is okay because their service is not that quick, and I think they lack people, they lack staff, and but the dining experience was okay because the decors are there. It kind of shows, or it kind of gives you the Thailand vibes. I showed the decors earlier in my vlog. I would rate the restaurant 7 out of 10 because what I ate was very tasty. I really liked it, their pad thai, and I would recommend to improve their service because they don't give too much attention on their guests, and they're polite, but you know, you don't have that customer satisfaction that they give their attention to you when you need something like that. For me, I would recommend the restaurant to my friends so they could try an authentic Thailand restaurant, and I would really recommend their pad thai. It's the best and that's why I forgot to vlog after. That's all, thank you. So now, this vlog has come to an end. So bye vlog. Hello guys.